Hi, my name's Laurie. I'm a registered dietitian with Health Promotion, and I'm here to bring you an amazing recipe. This is a quick vegetarian chili. This is budget friendly. It's so easy to put together for you or your family. It's versatile and it's freezer friendly. All right, let's get started. In our pan, we have some oil. To that, we're going to add 3 cups of a frozen vegetable mix. Now remember, frozen vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh. And a lot of the times they're easier on the wallet, so don't be afraid to add those to your meals. Next up, we're going to add our spices. So we have some couple cloves of garlic here that you're going to add, as much or as little as you like. We've got 1.5 teaspoons of cumin that we're going to add to that. And I have 3 tablespoons of chili powder. And again, adjust to your taste, but that is delicious. This is going to go on a low heat. You're going to stir that around until you start to smell that aroma. So delicious. Next up, we're going to add our plant-based protein. So here I have a whole can of kidney beans. I drain them and rinse them. When you do that, you're going to remove about half the amount of sodium. Pop those in there. And then a couple more ingredients, and then we're going to be finished. We've got a whole can of diced tomatoes. You're going to add. Awesome. And next up is a can of tomato sauce. All the ingredients and the amounts are going to be in the caption below. All right, I want to show you this last ingredient that we're adding, and that is something called TVP, or textured vegetable protein. When you buy it in a dried form. It looks like this, and you're simply going to rehydrate it in a boiling water or boiling broth. Cup for cup, it's going to puff up and look something like this. What this adds to this dish, more protein and a plant-based protein. Delicious, healthy, heart healthy, and people are not even going to know the difference. All right, there you go. And also friendly on the wallet, which we love. Stir this up, heat it, and it is good to go. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's so versatile. I can't wait to show you what else you can do with it. If you do give it a try, let us know in the comments below.